Alright, here we go. Today, security protected. So we're all safe. The alarm will sound if something bad is about to happen. Just to let y'all know, we're all safe. What we're doing today is just going to see the difference in how these group. Just going to do like a 3 or 4 shot group on each one and seeing who holds a better pattern. All the variables will remain the same. You know, it's the same distance, same gun, same shooter, same everything. So yeah, somebody might get better tighter groups than I do, or you might get worse groups than I do, but in general it should still be like, if the PowerPoints are better than the Wolf, you know, then you should have better, you know what I'm talking about, like that. Or vice versa, if the Wolf is actually holding tighter than the Winchesters, you should have the same results on you if you did 2 different groups like that. So, you know, stick around and let's see what happens. All right, here we go. Well, we're definitely going to call this the Winchester for the win. That was shot yesterday. But we got 1, 2 touching right here. And then you got the Wolf. You know, that's 1, 2 right here within 1.5 inches. That's within 1 inch. So yeah, I would say, I mean, the Winchester is going to group better. If you're looking for more accuracy, hunting wise, the soft tips from the Winchester Super X's are going to definitely group a lot better. You're going to have more accurate bullets than the Wolf soft tips, which that's still, that's not bad at all. But like I said, it is what it is. You might get a tighter group, you might not, but like I said, all the variables are still the same, so everything should still be, you know, you should expect the similar results or whatever. The Super X is to be a better grouping bullet than the Wolves. And that is it. Thanks for watching.